सुपर हीरो फील तो आ ही जाएगी when you hunt something new which is truly good and effective.
Yes, it's a talk of the town that Adhyay has now launched an Ayurvedic cream for men.
बात बड़ी सिंपल है. गर्ल्स के कंपैरिजन में our skin is thicker. That doesn't mean we don't need to keep it healthy. And finally, my superpower worked and I found this Adhyay men's skincare cream that is made up of cow ghee.
And it smells really good with Lang Lang essential oil in it.
Wait, 25% off भी दे रहे हैं आपको. Use coupon code MEN25 to grab the deal today.